Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I just finishing up the speaker upgrade. In the last video we did the front speakers and I kind of had to hold off on doing the back ones, but anyway, the back ones are done now. I'm shooting this after they're already done. I got them all installed. Unfortunately they require the same modification as the front ones. You got to separate the highs from the lows. But I got them all in. It sounds really good, especially compared to what it was. But they're not anything special, but it sounds good. And also, I want to thank anyone who's subscribed to the channel and those who watch the videos and leave comments. We really appreciate it. It's helping out the channel a lot. The channel's growing pretty good. I'm happy with it. We've passed 300 subscribers here recently. Anyway, you guys, if you like our videos or like our channel, please subscribe. It really helps, and we appreciate it a lot. Anyway, I think that's it. Hope this video helps somebody out, and we'll catch you in the next one. The back is a lot easier than the front, although the speakers still have to have the highs and lows separated. But to get this panel off here, you just take this out. Okay, so that's out. You move up here. You got one little screw here. Take that screw out, then this pops off. Just a little clip holding it in there. Okay, then one screw here. Now this whole panel will move. First you just pull it back, and you can get in here. You got to unhook that light. There we go. Now this whole panel just come right out. And there's 4 screws holding the speaker in. Just comes right out. And there's one connection right here. There, speaker's out. Okay guys, unfortunately these speakers here also need to be modified to work. So these short wires here are for your lows and mids, and this long wire that runs up the top, this is for your highs. So I'm just going to clip these. Clip the highs. Pull these right out. Pull this connector off. Okay, camera shut off. I don't know what happened, but anyways, just pull this connector off the old speaker. Remember, these short ones are for the lows and the mids, so I'll just strip them. Now on the new speaker, This wider clip here is for the positive, so that is the solid gray, and the other one's gray but it's got a black stripe. So I'm going to put a couple heat shrinks on. And we're going to connect the positives. I know lots of people like to use butt connectors, but I prefer to have solder. Get a little bit of solder on the other side. Okay. Now we'll slide the heat shrink over. Like I said, I like to use 2 layers. Okay, that's got a nice strong connection. So now we'll do the negative. Same as before, put a couple layers of heat shrink. Solder on this. Try to get a little bit on the other side. Okay. Now put the heat shrink on. On the second layer. Okay, so those are the two connections for the lows. Now we got to do the highs. So we'll set the soldering iron aside for a minute. Grab our new speaker. Now the same as the rear speaker, I've got to separate the highs and lows, so we'll just clip that as close as we can. And then same with the negative. Okay, I'll strip the positive. Not a lot of wire to work with. And my eyes ain't the very best either. There we got her. So, put a couple heat shrinks on. Remember, these are the highs. She's connected decent. We get some solder on it and it'll be all set. That should be good. She's got a tight connection, so we'll put the heat shrink on. Put the second one on. And now to get the ground side. Use a lot of solder on this. Keep it connected. should do it. Shrink. Okay, that's our lows. And then these two that I soldered on is our lows to mids. I say need the very best. Okay, it's all ready. Just have to hook it up, put it in. Okay, so putting it back together is pretty easy. Just reconnect the speaker. Okay, putting the speaker back in is pretty easy. Slide the wires in. Line up the screws. Okay, I'll try it. And now to put it back together, just slide this back in. And we want to make sure we got our light connector. It's connected. Just slide back in here. We're gonna slide this under there. I'll just go up here. Put this in. Have to tighten this too much. Just slide the screw in. Whoops. To put down in here. Okay, and that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.